Hi everyone, I'm Molly and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'd greatly appreciate if you subscribed, and if you're not, well, thank you for tuning in again and I'm glad to have you here. Before I get into the video, I'd just like to say that I am hosting a giveaway, so stay tuned to the end of the video for details on that. Without further ado, let's get into it. So today's video is super short and simple, and it's all about watercolor blocks. Now what sparked me to do this video is that when I got my first watercolor block, I was so confused by it. I went to open the booklet and flip through the pages to realize that all of the sheets are glued together at the edge and had no idea what to do with it and didn't realize that there was a gap in between the glue that you had to use and blah blah blah. But I figured other people might be confused by watercolor blocks as well if it is your first time using them, so I want to do a quick video about how to remove the sheets from it and then also talk about the benefits of it, because now that I have it and use it, I love it and I can totally see why it's a good thing to have and use when painting. The sheets in a watercolor block are glued together at the edges except for a little slit at the top. In this opening and between two sheets, you'll need to take an X-Acto knife or a palette knife or something and cut through the glue along the edges. Try to do so in a fluid and smooth motion just so you're not fringing the edges of the sheet or creating any divots or marks in the sheet below. And just like that, the sheet is separate from the block. Easy peasy. I recommend removing a sheet once the painting is done, just because the watercolor block in itself is so sturdy, which is very useful when painting. And that's why I recommend this sort of thing for beginners actually. You can avoid taping down sheets to a table or having the paper kind of ripple and get wavy from painting by using a watercolor block. And that's what I love about it, and I would definitely buy one again once I'm finished up with this one. Plus, this is really convenient for on the go, so say you want to do a landscape painting, you can just take this and you have a sturdy platform to paint on. One of my favorite things to do is just go to the beach, sit, relax, and paint the seascape. And the watercolor block makes that super easy to do. Now on to the giveaway. I will be giving away this anchor painting over on my Instagram. To enter, follow me on Instagram at _MollyMac, like this photo, and comment with an anchor emoji. For an extra entry, tag someone that would like these paintings as well, and if you win, then I'll give paintings to both of you. This giveaway will be open until June 30th, 2019, and the winner will be selected at random. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.